In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Hostinger website and make it live. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your site from the editor to a live working website that anyone can visit. We'll walk through logging in, checking your domain connection, reviewing your pages and settings, publishing and confirming everything works as expected. First, log in to your Hostinger account and open your website in the website builder or through the hosting dashboard, depending on how you created it. The website builder opens a visual editor where you can adjust content and design, while the hosting dashboard gives you access to broader site and domain settings. Either path is fine as long as you're managing the correct site. Before you publish, make sure your domain is connected to the website. Look for a clear status indicator in the builder or in your hosting domain settings that shows the domain is properly linked. If you recently pointed your domain or updated name servers, keep in mind it can take some time to fully propagate across the internet. The key here is to verify that Hostinger recognizes your domain as the primary address for this site. Next, review your pages and settings. Click through your homepage, about page, and any service or product pages to confirm text, images, and links are correct. Preview your site on mobile and desktop to ensure layouts look good on different screens. Check your site title, favicon, and basic SEO fields like page titles and descriptions so your pages are labeled clearly in search results. If your site uses contact forms, confirm the submission destination looks correct in your settings. When you're confident everything is ready, it's time to publish. In the builder or dashboard, click the button labeled Publish, Update, Website, or Go Live. The exact wording can vary, but they all do the same thing. Push your changes to the public version of your site. If you're prompted to confirm your domain, select the domain you verified earlier. Wait for the site to finish publishing. You might see a progress bar or confirmation message. Let the process complete without closing the window. Finally, open your domain in a browser and confirm the live website is working correctly. Type your domain into the address bar and browse a few pages to ensure everything loads, images display, and navigation works. If you don't see updates right away, give it a little time. Newly connected domains and fresh publishes may take a short while to appear consistently. That's it. You've logged in, verified your domain, reviewed your site, published, and confirmed it's live. Happy launching.